T'as pris le rugby à tous, quoi.
Bah, j'ai pas vraiment appris, mais vraiment, je connais un peu mieux, quoi. Que je comparais à ma mère.
Hey, I need your small help if you're free. Just finish after smoking. I need it to hold for me.
Ah, tu faccio...
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
You finish smoking. No, just smoke.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Photo, video?
Yeah, just video only.
Video.
Yeah, because I'm just going. I just show my family, you know.
Ah,
Family, my family see it.
yeah, yeah.
It's getting into a hotel.
But
It's not gonna stop. It's gonna fall. Sure.
yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is just put down. Just finish smoking.
Ah, okay.
No, it's
okay,
not safe
okay.
to do with smoking. Yeah, so take your time. No rush.
2 minutes.
Yeah, take your time. No problem. Sorry, brother.
What's your name?
Sam. Nice to meet you.
Sharon.
Nice to meet you.
Sam. Okay.
You know one word, buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. No, just finish the smoke. Just what you do, just hold that one, and just you don't need to do anything. Just follow this one.
Okay.
No, it's already
play.
it's already on. It's already on. And just what I'm gonna do is you go forward. And then
Baru bilang? Yes,
turn
yes.
this way.
Okay.
So I walk in backward. So just follow me. Follow me. Oh. His language is you. Just if you have maintain the distance so that you can cover my whole body.
Yes.
Yeah. So that you can cover my whole body. Or just leave it like just stay. That's fine. I'm just gonna sit for maybe 1 minute, maybe a few seconds. Just cover me, huh? And then I'll just go. So basically, you go this forward,
yes.
and then turn this towards me, yeah, and keep walking. Thank you.
Same to you.
I'll just go back, but just cover me as well. Huh? Just go backward and cover my whole body. Huh?
Yeah, whole body.
Yeah, okay, thanks, good. You understand, you speak good English. I thought you
50-50.
yeah, you will learn it a lot. It's not harder. How long is your visa gonna be here? 1
Working
year?
holiday visa, yes.
2 years visa?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
You work in a farm as well?
I find.
Fine, you not working in a farm. Okay.
Fine. Don't work.
Oh. Okay, and this last one. And the last one, that's it, last one. Follow me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're
You want me to on a video or say hello to you? Thanks to you.
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much.
Hello.
Thank you. She's from Italian.
Italian.
Italian. Buongiorno.
Sharon, nice to meet you. Okay, Sam?
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, your name is? Good name? What's your name?
Sharon.
Sharon.
Yes,
Nice to
yes,
meet you.
yes.
Nice to meet you. I would love to visit. I love to go to Italy. Have you seen a movie Italian, bro?
Yeah?
It's a movie. It's a very famous movie.
Yes. Gomorra.
Yeah, I love this atmosphere. I love to visit Italy. I used to watch a documentary video about Italian documentary videos. It's pretty nice.
Yes.
One day, hopefully, I can visit them. It's expensive to go.
You're Colombian?
No, I'm Indian.
Indian.
But I'm Australian citizen.
Okay.
I'm here for about 16 years.
60 years.
160 years.
And in Melbourne?
Melbourne, yeah. I live in Darwin as well.
No, time in Melbourne. 1 day, 2 weeks.
This Melbourne, I'm here for 16 years.
Okay, 60 years in
In
Melbourne.
Melbourne, yeah. Mostly Melbourne. I travel outside, but I mostly travel in the Melbourne as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I thought you were Colombian too.
Yeah.
I thought you were Colombian. Yeah. You got your friends?
Yes,
Friends?
from Italy.
Italy, but they speak French. I thought they speak French.
Yes, Thomas speak French.
You know, I used to go to church in Tuesday, and the church pastor is Italian. Italian. Yeah?
Sale.
He used to be a DJ drum player.
Yeah?
Hopefully, I want to go. Is it too expensive to visit in Italy? It's too expensive.
So expensive?
Uh,
In North Italy, expensive. In South Italy,
cheaper. Is in the mountains, the seas.
cheap in winter, but in summer it's
Very
expensive
expensive.
in sea. So because
winter-
beach and yes,
Winter is probably is because of the winter you can't stay. It's very cold, isn't it?
yes.
What about the temperature in winter?
Oh,
Temperature in winter,
sorry.
-10. It goes minus the temperature. In a coldness,
Temperature.
is it too cold in winter?
Ah yes, in winter in northern is very cold. See.
Oh, I don't like now. I
But
wouldn't go
in
so.
South Italy, winter is
Good.
say, this is
Like Melbourne?
10 grad.
Okay. Alright.
50.
Anyway,
Yeah.
thanks for your help. Appreciate it. I'm gonna go. I'm going tonight.
Ciao.
Thank you. Enjoy this walk. video